Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over the hourly items report. I'm in the admin portal, which is hrpos.heartland.us, and I went to the menu icon up here at the top and went to reports, and I'm on the hourly items report. Now you can view the same report and all these other reports. They're all the same on the iPad. You can actually view them from there as well. All you have to do is simply go to the menu icon at the top right of the iPad and then go to the reports button here. Now up here at the top right, we have the export feature, as on pretty much every report in here, I think. So you can export to PDF or CSV if you need to, if you need a digital copy. Or you have the print button here that will print to whatever printer you have hooked up. And over here we've got our date range. Now you can use the arrows to go back and forth, or you can click in the date range here and it will pull up your calendar. You've got some quick select buttons over here if you just want to quickly view the last 7 days or this month, last month, or you can go and actually select the day and then hit run if you just have a specific day you want to do, or maybe you're wanting to do year to date, so you can go to January and January 1st. Switch it back to March and go to the 20th, and it will give you that range that you selected just by pressing the numbers here. Then you hit run to generate it. Now you do have some filters on this one. You can filter by staff, you can filter by rooms, you can filter by menu groups, you can filter by sections, or you can filter by report categories. Now, as far as the report goes, what it does is it breaks down per hour. Of course, this is just a demo unit I'm using here, a demo account. So in a live environment, you should have basically from open to close showing up here. And then it shows you quantity that were sold during that hour. And this would be items, how many items were sold. It gives you the cost, or the, not the cost, but the price, the net sales of what you sold during those hours, and then the percentage breakdown. Now there's not a whole lot of interaction in here outside of resorting if you wanted to resort these, but outside of that, it's pretty straightforward on the information that it gives you. So that's all I have for this video. I hope it helped. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.